your vigilant partner in ensuring safety and purity in every breath taken in laboratories. In the realm of science, where precision and safety go hand in hand, the quality of the air is fundamental to accurate results and the well-being of researchers. Xihir, with a decade of expertise in manufacturing detection equipment and testing instruments, presents a solution that's as critical as the experiments themselves. Their dedication to providing clients with high-quality, high-performance laboratory apparatus is unmatched, and their OEM customization services ensure that every research facility can have the ideal conditions for their work. The lab-safe indoor CO2 monitor is not just a tool, it's a guardian of health and accuracy. With its advanced technology and meticulous design, it helps maintain an environment where every breath contributes to the integrity of the research. Imagine a lab where the air is as reliable as the data. That's the essence of LabSafe. And because we understand the importance of a safe and controlled atmosphere in research, we're offering a special promotion to make this essential investment even more accessible. It's our way of supporting the scientific community in their quest for knowledge, where every breath is a step towards discovery. Ready to secure the air quality in your lab. For more information on our products and how we can assist you, simply add my personal email from the homepage. Let's ensure every breath in your lab is a breath of safety.